And this is just loosely in the trunk.
Cool on yet.
We haven't even done anything yet. That came off. No way.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
He charged you an extra $500 for one. Most beautiful of welds. Didn't even clean it. Guess how much the guy charged him? $1,400, and he wanted $1,900. So
Okay.
he just took the wheel off and aired out the bag. That's it. So I
Yeah.
can start working on it.
Yeah.
Come take a look at what's the first thing I'm gonna check on are a couple things. Well, maybe the fact that this literally is not in.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to another vlog. And as you saw, we mentioned before, we're working on a Tesla. And that Tesla's here right now. We're about to start the fun process of tearing everything apart. We're about to tear down this Tesla and basically check every little thing that this guy check every little I didn't see you filming. We're about to We're about to tear down everything in this car to check the quality of the work because, as you saw in the last video, it wasn't too hot. So he is in here for basically almost a reinstall in a way because no one wants the controller in their trunk. No one wants their wheels not tight. No one wants welds. So that's why you come to Karbon Kings. So right now, me and Angelo are going around back because we just had a customer or a potential customer come in with his Tesla Model 3 that he just got air ride installed, not by us.
That's where the problems.
And that's where the problem started. And we knew it was gonna be bad, and the air ride controller is just loosely in there. So, just real quick before we close up, we're gonna pop a tire off because apparently the guy that did this welded and cutted things. Cutted? And this is just loosely in the trunk. Nothing is put back right. This just falls off. This falls off. So we just took the hubcaps off.
Look,
We just got the drill.
I haven't even put the tool on yet.
We haven't even done anything yet. No way.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
That's not
That's
snug.
not snug, Chief.
Dude, this is how much play it has without even compressing yet. That's the compression right there. This is up here. This top bolt is loose.
Is that where?
Oh my God, look at this.
Is that where he cut?
This is hand tight. Look at this. So he charged you an extra $500 for one. The most beautiful of welds. Didn't even clean it. Wow. Didn't use argon because that's why it's splattered.
The collar is just up.
Dude, didn't even put the collar down.
Just to put in perspective, you took off the hubcap. That wasn't even tight. Nothing's tight under there. I would honestly assume almost everything isn't tight. We're probably gonna want to go through this entire car.
Yeah.
All right, so you haven't recognized this yet. This tire goes on that side of the car. You put the tires on the wrong side of the car. So all four tires on the wrong side of the car. So
They're directional, so that makes
but they're going in a direction. If you drive in reverse, you're all right.
Yeah, you're good.
Imagine, look to your right. There's a Tesla going like a $160 in reverse.
I don't know how to shut it off. Please shut off.
There's got to be a button.
Shut off.
I wonder if you walk away from it. Try getting out. Yeah, shut off.
You did?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It looks wild.
Operate your air suspension system. You literally gotta get out of your car, go to your hood, pop your hood, and then play with your controller.
Yeah.
How does that make any f***ing sense?
It
Ask
does.
me how much the guy charged him.
Leak detected in 3 of 4 corners. Guess how much the guy charged him? $1,400, and he wanted $1,900.
I'm stuck on stupid. I don't understand.
This car's stuck on broken. But we're here to fix that. Welcome to the wall.
Dude, just look at it. Just.
Like, look at it. Zip ties and shit. Bro, like, what the f?
Hold on, take this out. Not even zip tied in there.
This isn't even all clipped together.
This is a nice car. It hurts me because it's a
You don't
nice.
do that to this.
You don't
do
that-
that in general, but like,
This motherfucker shouldn't just be doing air ride himself.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Come here. Come here. So
Okay.
we just took the wheel off and aired out the bag. That's it. So I
Yeah.
can start working on it.
Yeah.
Come take a look at it. I'm gonna check on her a couple things. Well, maybe the fact that this literally is not in.
Bruh, there's like 2 threads.
It's not in.
I know, but it wasn't. And it was 2 threads.
So those are probably stripped. This is where I'm starting. I haven't touched anything yet.
That's broken.
Dude.
That's not supposed to go this way. This stays this way.
This whole arm is bent.
Yeah.
This weld is not straight. It's warped.
Dude, it's not well drained in there.
This is gonna get processed. This isn't bad. This is tight up top, tight on the bottom.
So we have to order 1 sensor already.
And we're only 2
That
sensors
sensor's
in. Bro, okay, so first, let's start up here. 1,
That's good.
not tight. This up here, not tight. I can move that. That is supposed to not be this loose. So, bottom collar is completely loose, all by hand. Top collar is completely loose. From what I can see inside of where all the lines are ran, nothing is strapped down. Everything's just loose. All right, so we are taking apart the whole entire trunk to find out how bad this guy installed this. You fart, bro? You smell like a wet sausage. God.
What does a wet sausage smell like?
That.
Ew.
Yeah, he was right.
No.
What the? Holy sh!
It's not awful. I've seen worse. It's pretty bad. Oh my god, those are on the wrong direction too.
Yeah. No, all 4.
The collar's loose. I can already tell about that.
Yep. Okay. The strut is in the collar. Is it tight though? It's tight.
Wow. Oh wait, you're telling me it's under here?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Where's the compressor?
Right there.
What? Where?
There.
Oh, I see it all.
Excuse me. That's gross.
Hey, yeah, like how they say that bag dance, like why you looking sad, man? Damn, you look like ass, man. Wait, you can see me laughing. Yeah, hey, I said like what the fuck I'm stressing for? Fuck all that depression, boy.